absolutely love shrimp and grits, so I want to show you how I make mine. So we're gonna take 2 cups of grits and 8 cups of water. Or you can just add in water or stock, whichever you have available for you. We do want to make sure we have some salt in there. So we have our grits going. I'm going to bring that up to a boil, and then I'm going to let that slowly cook. The other thing we want to do is get our shrimp going. Let's get our blend together. I have some cayenne, a little bit of paprika, next a little cumin. And then of course you have to add in some chili powder. This is a secret ingredient, celery seed. A little goes a long way. Let's add in some salt. I'm gonna add in a little pepper. Take that seasoning, add over my shrimp. You just wanna coat everything so that once we cook it, we're actually gonna chop up the shrimp. And I am going to turn what you consider sort of classical shrimp and grits into a ball. So everything will be in the center. All right, let's put in a little bit of oil. Woo doggy, there we go. All that shrimp goes in. While this is cooking, we're gonna go ahead and start chopping up our vegetables. So let's chop up a little bit of our garlic. I have some jalapenos. Okay, it's done. Okay, so now we're gonna chop up our shrimp. I kind of like having chunks of the shrimp because when you bite into it, you wanna immediately know it's shrimp and grits. So I'm gonna add a little bit of the shrimp in the bowl, and then I'm gonna fold in my grits, my cheese, and all of those flavors. I'm gonna chop up some green onion. So I have some parsley. You can chop that. Also a little bit of dill. I have some mozzarella, a little bit of Parmesan. Now we're gonna take our grits and we're gonna fold into this cheesy mixture. It already smells great. So we're gonna form a few balls. And this is a great job for the kids to do too. They love getting their hands in here. You don't want a whole lot of flour, so you gotta shake it off really well. Then we go into the egg wash. You can use a spoon, move it around. And you wanna coat every piece because we need the breadcrumbs to stick. So I have my little fryer set at 350, and they fry for about 2 minutes. You see that? My goodness, this is what we're looking for. And then I like to take a little bit of that PECORINO Romano cheese and make it rain. Absolutely divine. Let's take a bite. It's so hot. I just want to show you the inside of that. Oh my gosh. Can you see that? You have to make sure you try my fried shrimp and grits.